Hello, guys. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us today on our portfolio performance presentation. My name is JR, and I am excited to take you through the key highlights of the investment journey over the past 1 year. So, let's dive in. So, before we begin, let's take a quick look at what we are going to see today. So, today we are going to see the portfolio performance and the returns what we have got for 2023, the options, what the profits what we have got, and what were our goals means for doing the trading for the last year, whether did we achieve the goal or not. Let us have a look. So seeing what we have done, so this is the core portfolio what we have got. So the core portfolio are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Infosys, Reliance. Means this is the core portfolio. The rest of it will come in and go out based on means that time when I think that this investment is good, this is going to go up. So then I do. Generally, what we do, we top up these four. Already means ICICI Bank, I have topped up to 2 F&O lot quantity. Reliance, I have done 1 F&O lot quantity. Infosys and HDFC Bank are basically work in progress. HDFC Bank is 550 is the lot size, so I am 344 now. Infosys is 400, so I am at about 283. So how we top up whatever profits we are getting from our option trades on the weekly and monthly positions, we will put it back here. Okay. So the criteria what I had set for returns are monthly 2% returns. Monthly 2% means yearly 24% returns, putting everything included, not only the options profits, but the equity appreciation, dividends, all put together. I want to beat the returns what index is providing and the returns what our FDs, other funds are providing. Mutual fund returns are generally 14 to 15% on average per annum. Some years it will be 50-60%, some year it will be negative, but if you do all the averaging put together, it is about 14 to 16%. That is what an equity mutual fund will give. Index will give a little lesser, somewhere about 14%, 14-15%. This year it has given a huge growth, but generally it is 14 to 15%. 12 to 15% is what an index will give. So I wanted to beat that. Let's see whether we have done that. So the portfolio has appreciated considerably because we are in a bull market since 2020. After COVID crash, we have been going up. In between, there were few corrections, but we are going up. Okay. So the cash what currently I use is about 2.5 lakhs plus the 2.5 lakhs collateral. So put together, I am using it about 5 lakhs. Okay. So on a 5 lakhs, what did we achieve on the F&O trading? Because the 5 lakhs margin is used for option selling, which is a F&O market, and the equity appreciation what we have got. So the equity has appreciated by about 4.5 lakhs in the last year. So this is the price at the beginning of the year, and this is the price as of the last market day, which was yesterday. I am recording this on 30th of December. So this is 29th of December closing price. Okay. I will come back to all these later. Okay. So right now we are going to look at only these four, then I'll touch upon the other stuff. Okay. So these four stocks alone gave a dividend of about 27,000, because 2,000 dividends on the other one. So about 27,000 of dividends have been received on these top four stocks. And on options, generally when we hold the full quantity, we used to do the covered strategy. So the covered strategy returns are here. So Reliance, we were on the negative, especially the December series, we really went negative because Reliance has run up quite a lot this month. So we went into negative. but majority of the profits came from the ICICI Bank. HDFC a kind of break even. We did not make or we did not lose money. It's a kind of break even. Generally, HDFC Bank is a stable means a stock. It does not move too high or too low. It is on average, but we got a less, means we will work out means what to do with that. So put everything together. Plus recently I started accumulating L&T. So my average price is about 279 so 2970. Right now the price is about 3,500. Got a nice, because this one I started in December only, so just started, so got a good profit there. The GeoFin came from the Reliance demerger. I have 250 Reliance shares. So the GeoFin came, 250 shares came, but since my acquisition price of Reliance was quite low, so I got it for about 94.46, but I did not pay anything. This is the allocation price. For me, the allocation price is zero. I got the shares for free. Okay. So, but the price what they have given is 94.96. So I am just using that. So the profit figure will be less, but actually I have to put a zero here. So the profit figure will be about 53,000. Okay. Nifty Bs I started accumulating with the profits what I get from the option trading. So I just stopped up. Why? I'll give you the reason later. I'll touch upon when I come to the index returns. I'll touch upon this. So I have right now I have got about 195 Nifty Bs with me. This is the average purchase price. No, not average. This is the price as on this one. The average one is here. The Nifty Bs is here. I'll come back to that. Then we have got Dividend SIP, which started in September. Railway SIP also started in September. Then few IPOs we apply, and most of the IPOs we don't get any allocation. So they regret that. Regret email will come that we have not been allocated. But few of them where the subscription rate is not too high, generally we will get allocated. We don't make a super duper returns on that, but if you hold it for a couple of months, we generally make a good amount of money there. The realized gain is something means which I did a portfolio rejig during like April, May of the last year. So June, kind of May, June months. So that time when I reshuffled the portfolio, I have booked a lot of profits on the stocks which already grew, right? So those profits are here. So that one is there in the portfolio. You will find what we closed here. So these are the ones which I had and I closed. I still closed these in loss. Consider that Tata Consumer and Tata Motors I closed in loss. Tata Motors right now trading at somewhere about 1,000 or 800 something rupees. I closed in loss. 445. The identification was correct, but the exit was wrong. Tata Consumer right now nearing 1,000 rupees. I closed it at about 724. This was a Muhurat pick for year 2022. So 2023 Muhurat also came, but by that time means I closed out and came out. Reliance gave a huge profit because the average buy price was less and I exited at a very right time. Right now also the price is about 100 rupees above this. So, but I exited at the right time, so gave a good profit there. I had Bs, gold Bs, bank Bs, silver Bs, all those, except the Nifty Bs, I closed everything else. Everything else closed in a good profit. And the JLHL is the IPO one, means I got allocated 20 shares. So I closed half of it and then realized the profit. The remaining half is running. Okay. So coming back to the P&L. So the max cash used, what I used the max cash is 2.5 lakhs, 2,50,000 rupees, plus the pledged, whatever I pledged here. So the pledged collateral becomes 28 lakhs is the pledged collateral. Out of it, I am using only 2.5 lakhs because I am trading with Zerodha. So they have a 50-50 cash collateral for overnight positional trade. So I have not been charged any margin penalty as of today. So I am still using within that. So I have 2.5 lakhs cash. I'll use 2.5 lakhs collateral. So for the total of 5 lakhs, I will take position. At any point of time, you will find that the maximum used capital is 5 lakhs except for the intraday positions, which are basically expiry trades. For expiry trades, I will use the entire collateral. Okay. So the profit with except the other F&O, so only on the stocks, the profit is about 5,26,000, including the covered positions or the options positions, dividends, everything what we took on the stocks. So the total profit came to 5,26,503. The F&O P&L is about 1,18,000 rupees. That 1,18,000 comes from all the strategies what we okay. We do a lot of strategies. We do expiry trades. The covered position what you saw here, these are covered positions on the stocks. Plus we take Nifty positions. We do USD INR. So all put together. So this is the profit. And for this, the capital used is about 5 lakh rupees. Okay, means don't go by the 30 lakh figure what we have. The 30 lakh is the portfolio. Okay, so for the options I am using only 2.5 lakhs cash and 2.5 lakhs collateral, so which is 5 lakh rupees. So to calculate the entire profit, so this 1,18,000 includes the stock option P&L also. So I had to remove that. So the gross profit is about 6 lakh rupees. This is what we have achieved for the last year. This is the gross profit. No charges are there. So the charges what we pay to Zerodha is about 55,000 rupees. So this one comes from the console or the P&L report. The charges will come. If you select from this date to this date, it will give you the entire charges. So those are the charges. So the net profit is about 5.5 lakhs. So by going to see the return on capital employed, means capital employed is how much? 5 lakhs, right? Means for F&O, I have employed only 5 lakhs. So return on capital is about 24%, which is 23.79, which is very, very close to our target, which is 24%, monthly 2% return, like so 24%. And the return on equity, so currently B25 by B7, B25 is this, B17 is this. So currently means what we have done is the total profit what we received and the capital, total capital what we have used. So if you put that together, so we are getting about 17.72. The 17.72 is slightly lower. I'll give you the reason why it is slightly lower. This is because the option profits goes back into the stock. Okay, that stock is purchased on various time periods in the year. Some of the stock like L&T was purchased in December, November, December. Nifty Bs started in November. Okay, Nifty Bs November. This is only a month. In 1 month, like have accumulated 195. So the option profits were good. But if you see the price is 230. This is not 230. This should be, there is some error. So let me correct this. So this one is error because Nifty Bs are on the Jan 2023 is not 230. So let's correct that. Go to Nifty B's price. So let's see for a year. So there it started. So 2nd of Jan it is 199.34. Okay. It is a simple. So 199.34. So we just put in. So the returns, everything will be different. Okay, a slight difference will be there, but does not matter. So we will see dividend SIP, railway SIP, and IPO. So Nifty Bs we have seen. So dividend SIP is basically the stocks which we have been putting in money every month. We started in September. So every month we are putting in like 2,500 rupees in 11 stocks. There is a separate series for dividend stock SIP. You will watch the videos in my channel. If you want to watch the playlist, it will come on top of your screen. So dividend stock SIP is this. So we are putting in money. I will not go through this entirely because in the other video of the same series, I have gone through this extensively. You can watch those videos. So this has given us returns as well as dividend returns. So that dividend is basically put back into the National Aluminium, NALCO stock. Okay. So this is like compounding it further. So this is what I am doing. So we are putting in 2,500 in 11 stocks. So 27,500 every month we are putting in here. Then the railway stock SIP, all the railway stocks means we have got about 7 stocks. So we are putting 2K each. This is also started in September. So 4 times we have put in. So we are going to do it for the 5th time. Railway stocks dividends have been less. So it has given a bit lesser dividend. IRCON till now I don't know, means it has not come. Okay, 5th of September they have declared dividend, so this is the ex-dividend date. So we started it after 5th of September, so we did not receive anything here. But this one we received because we invested before 20th of September, so ex-dividend is 20th, so we received something for RVNL. And yesterday the stocks were up, even like consider, I think Railtel was up what? Oh my God, this is up by about 12% yesterday. Okay, so money is coming in, so the portfolio performance is good on the dividend stock SIP. Then we have IPO investment, so I'm just going little faster so that we will not have too much time spent on this. So we had 3 IPOs we got allocated, not the hot one. So these are the ones where the subscription levels were lower. JLHL, I was lucky because subscription was high, but I got allocation. Allocation is pure luck because this does not have anything. Means you apply for it and you just cross your fingers and wait for your allocation. So if allocated, then if the IPO list with a good premium to the issue price, then you make money on the listing day. That's whatever happened in JLHL is that. So I got allocated at 735, 20 shares I got in the IPO. So when it listed with like 40% up. So I just exited half of it and the remaining half I am still holding it through. This was up yesterday, it was down, but it was handsomely up. Even now it is at a good profit. UDS is updater services or something. So this also the subscription was 2x or something. So I got allocated. So this one was also handsomely, it was down below the IPO price for a long time, but right now means it has picked up. Yesterday it was down, but it has picked up. So this is in profitable. The recent one is FedFina, means Federal Bank Financial Services. So Federal Financial Services, I just recently got allocated. So it is below the IPO price, but does not matter. Means if I hold this, probably it will come back above IPO price and then continue gaining. Good company. When it is a good company, I will invest. Not that I will invest in every IPO. Good companies will put. If we get allocation, we are lucky. We can make some money. That's all. Okay. So then what we wanted to see, this one, the realized gains anyway. I have earlier we have gone through. So these are the realized gains what we have got. So this is the figure what you are seeing it there, like 1,50,000 rupees. This is the figure you will see that the realized gains. Okay, the 1,50,000 you will find there. Then some mutual funds I am putting. So this is only for already diversified. So I am diversifying a little bit more, means I am basically outsourcing some of the investment to the fund manager. So I mixed one, like you can see small cap, focused 30 is basically large cap, means say Sensex stocks. So this is the focused 30. Then again a mid cap, small cap, large cap, mid cap, then again multi cap. This is like focused equity is a large to mid cap and a thematic. I am a bit bullish on the consumption. Means I have put in some money there. Mutual recently only we started putting in, so just it's a minor growth only. This will grow further. We will see because the amount is also less. Means 1,000 rupees per month I am putting. What is that? Means anybody would do. Means a person with say consider a capital of like 31 lakhs portfolio. I am still doing like few mutual funds mainly for diversification purposes. This I am working out like the cash collateral. So I am trying to keep 40 cash and 60 collateral, but generally I will go to 50-50. So coming year, what I am going to do, I am going to increase this to 5 lakhs. So when I increase the max cash used to 5 lakhs, the collateral component will also increase to 5 lakhs. So instead of using 5 lakhs, I will be using 10 lakhs from next year for trading. So the F&O P&L will increase or decrease, we don't know, but the capital what we are going to use will be double than this year. I am still not comfortable deploying everything, so I am going to deploy less, slightly less. Means if I have a total portfolio of like 30 lakhs, I can have a 30 lakhs cash and total portfolio is 60 lakhs, so I can take 5 times or 6 times more volume I can make, but I don't want to do that. So I'll still keep to a reasonable level. So about 5 lakhs I will use in cash and 5 lakhs in collateral. So total 10 lakhs. We'll see. So index returns, did we beat? Yes, we beat index returns this year. And ROE, as I explained, the price what we have got these shares will be various price points throughout the year. So that is why means this figure is slightly lesser, but I ensure you that the market has grown, and these are the stocks which basically means moves the market. HDFC, ICICI, Infosys, Reliance, L&T, these are the big stocks which moves the market. Notably, you can see TCS is not there because I have Infosys. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, both I am bullish. ICICI Bank at all, I am there since a long time. This is the biggest holding in my portfolio. So HDFC Bank, I started accumulating. HDFC Bank, I am more bullish than ICICI Bank right now. Means HDFC Bank should double from this price in the coming year. Probably I am looking at about 3,000 rupees in HDFC Bank. If HDFC Bank goes to 3,000 rupees, Bank Nifty will be somewhere about 58, 59,000. If nothing else crashes, so HDFC Bank alone will take Bank Nifty to 60,000. Okay, so that is what like I'm thinking. Nifty Bs, I am still diversifying because the returns what index is giving, the Nifty Bs will provide the same return. So I am putting some money where it will match the index also. Dividend SIP, railway SIP, or basically railway is a thematic SIP I am doing. Dividend SIP is for basically retirees I am doing. Means we have many different kind of people who follow this strategy. So I am giving the strategy for everyone, right? So that is the reason I am myself, I am comfortable doing this. IPOs is like hot cakes. Now it is market is at all time high. So many IPOs are coming. So when Corona crash came, no IPOs were there. Means IPOs always come when the market is at the top. Okay, that is where a lot of money is there. People are talking about the market, so they'll get the subscription. That is only because of that. Realized gain is we have gone through what we have realized this year. Means we booked profit here and there, and then whatever we realized is here. So these forms the portfolio performance, or this completes the portfolio performance report for the year 2023 in my account. So year 2024 I have already done the files, so we'll start doing a half yearly report probably the month end of June we will see. Or if you want FY report in March, we will have a FY report. FY 23-24 report will come in March. So that we will do, because that is the time we will file our taxes, right? So that time I will work out. So if possible, I'll share that. Rest, there is nothing. That's it. It is done. So the main thing is the calendar trade is 2024 calendar trade we have started, but it is not included in the profits because this is a running trade. This will get included in 2024. Just whatever is I am not including that I am putting in. So this trade is not included. Plus what is not included is the in this profits, what is not included is basically the tracking is done with the positions what I am giving in the group. So the quantity what I am tracking is basically the group quantity. My quantity will be different. Okay. So my quantity will be higher for the day, lower for the day, depends. Plus there are a lot of testing activities going on. You see there is one called expiry test. This is the test I am doing. I am trading in my account, testing these setups in my account. So if we get this profitable, then I'll give it to the group. If it is loss making, generally I will not transfer this to the group trades. So group trades, I need to be with a minimum risk with a good reward. This is what I will give it in the group. So some of the poor RR or below average risk reward generally will not give it in the group. So I have got a separate thread for that in the group, that these are my trades, not group trades. So like that one thread is there. So I'll still share those trades. If any members interested will take it, but that will not form the part of group trade. There may be huge profit or there may be huge loss, but will not form a part of group trade. So those trades will not come here. It will not come in the tracker. So it is not tracked, so it will not come. So that is not included here. So stock of the rest, everything is there. Plus only thing is the price points what we have done, that is not calculated separately. So it can be done, but it is a bit time consuming for me to do. I am working full time also, so cannot spend too much time on that number crunching. So that I don't want to do it. So that's it. We have beat the index this year, and the equity portfolio return is also decent. Because of the various price points, slightly it shows lesser, but we have done a good job here. So this closes the performance report for the year 2023. Signing off, this is JR. May the markets be with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video. Thank you.